Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to talk about can smart work increase your income. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So some people may tell you that smart work can increase your income. On the other hand, some other people may tell you that only hard work can increase your income. So what is the truth? So the truth is smart work can definitely increase your income. As for example, different types of people work for the same company and they do same work on each day or every day, but among them only a few person can get promotion and the other person cannot get promotion. Now what is the reason? So the reason is the person who does the same work on every day but gets promotion, the person does his job effectively and smartly. So if you want to increase your income, you should definitely do your work smartly. So the question is how you can do your work smartly. So if you want to do your work smartly, you should be a creative person and you should also increase your skill and efficiency. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.